Hi, this is Kavita Saini and I am a legal intern of Lexington Company and I am a law student in IME Law College. And today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is Special Marriage Act of 1954. All marriages in India can be registered under respective personal law like Hindu Marriage Act of 1955 and Muslim Marriage Act of 1954 or under the Special Marriage Act of 1954. It is the only duty of the judiciary to ensure that the right of both the husband and wife should be protected. The Special Marriage Act of 1954 is an act of the Parliament of India with provision for civil marriages for people of India and all Indian nationals in foreign countries, irrespective of religion or faith followed by either party. The act originated from a piece of legislation proceeded during the late 19th century. It extended to the whole of India, but it also followed in the Jammu and Kashmir and all citizens of India domiciled to its country to which this act extends who are in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now we discuss what is Special Marriage Act. A marriage under the Special Marriage Act of 1954 allows people from two different religious backgrounds to come together in the bond of marriage. The Special Marriage Act of 1954 lays down the procedure of both solemnization and registration of marriage, where either of the husband or wife or both are not Hindus, Buddhist, Jains, or Sikhs. According to this act, the couples have to serve to notice with the relevant document to the marriage officer 30 days before the intended date of the marriage. However, while the process has been enabled online through the website, and now we will discuss about the registration process of Special Marriage Act. Both parties are required to be present after the submission of documents for issuance of public notice inviting objection. One copy of the notice is posted in the notice board of the office and a copy of the notice is sent by registered post to both parties as per the given address. Registration is done in 30 days after the date of notice, after deciding any objection that may have received during that period by the SDM. Both parties, along with the witness, are required to be present on the date of registration. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video and learned something from it. So do like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.